Hey everyone! I've been dying to share something with you all that has completely transformed my sleep game, sleep. If you're tired of those sleepless nights and groggy mornings, trust me, this is something you need to try. I've always struggled with getting quality sleep, and it's been such a challenge. But after using sleep, things have changed for the better. I fall asleep so much faster now, and when I wake up, I'm not feeling sluggish at all. I feel genuinely refreshed, like I've actually rested. What I love about sleep is how natural it is. No weird chemicals or anything like that. It's made with plant-based ingredients that work with your body's natural sleep cycle. And it's not just about getting to sleep, it helps me stay asleep, too. I used to wake up in the middle of the night, but now I sleep through without interruptions. Since I started using it, I've noticed that my mood is better, I'm more productive, and I just feel more energized during the day. It's like sleep has helped me reset my entire sleep routine, and the difference is amazing. Another thing I really appreciate is that it's 100% natural, non-GMO, and gluten-free. It's a relief to know that I'm taking something that's not full of artificial additives, especially when it comes to my health. If you're like me and need something to help with stress, insomnia, or just poor sleep quality, I highly recommend giving sleep a try. It's safe, effective, and made right here in the USA, so you know it's top quality. For anyone who's struggled with sleep for years, sleep might just be the answer you've been searching for. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to find out more or grab your own bottle. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on health and wellness.